What is up, guys? We are back with our Corvette build. So in today's episode we are going to pull apart the whole front end, see if we find any more damage. We did get some new parts, new fenders, new fender and new bumper, all this good stuff, but we want to just pull apart, see. Most likely there's going to be more damage. Most likely we will have to order new parts. You guys know how it goes. But before we get into that, check out this AMG right here. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. So my cousin ended up purchasing this car from the auction. My brother helped him rebuild the car, but it came with AMG badges on it. So it's an IA, it's an AMG.
So is it a BMW or an AMG? Which one is it?
It's a BMW AMG IA e-drive.
Yeah, it's an e-drive.
E-drive. So don't forget to put e-drive. Yeah. So I don't know if the guy did it for a joke. I guess he was serious maybe. But then again, I did see C300 with E63 badges, and like you know how you go all cheap on the exhaust hole, and you try to fit in two little pipes inside the water diffuser. Oh my god, it's so
Don't be that guy.
Don't be that guy, yeah. So, but yeah, let's get into a Corvette and let's just start pulling this thing apart.
Yo. That's where the 10mm go.
So we got the car in jacks, ready and secure, and let's go ahead and start pulling off the hood and the bumper, and let's see the damage underneath. So check this out, this rim is messed up. So we actually did not notice it when it was on the car, but you can see from here it's a little bit damaged on the side, but look at that hump right here. That is huge.
Hey, at least the weights are still on.
Yeah, dude, we're gonna hammer that thing out a little bit, throw it back on, we're gonna go hit the track.
Alright guys, so from impact, these welds, where they tack welded it, they kind of broke apart. We knew about these ones because we seen them before we even took the car in. What we didn't know is the hidden damages. You always find hidden damages. So it got hit in the reinforcement right here. And that way, it caused the whole other one to shift. And those welds broke too. So it is just the welds that broke. So it's nothing that serious. It doesn't look like anything is bent. None of the rails are bent to the side or anything like that from what we can see. But we're actually going to have our frame guy come out here. He's going to measure it out, see if anything shifted. If something did shift, then we're going to end up sending it to frame. But if it's just something that didn't shift, if it's just welds like that, he is able to do it here in our shop with his welder. So let's hope for the best.
We were planning to put all the parts back together, all the new parts that we got, but since the side is cracked, we can't really do much until our frame guy comes and measures it and gives us his opinion on what's the smartest thing to do. But for now, we're going to go ahead and change the rotor. So we did receive a whole bunch of new parts right here, so let's just start opening up the boxes, because a lot of times we get parts that are either damaged, maybe from like a delivery or something. So let's just go ahead and open the parts and see if everything's good. Hopefully everything's good with the rotor, because rotor was like close to $2,000. It's an expensive rotor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the second expensive rotor from the Lamborghini, right? That we experienced.
Oh, the
right?
Lamborghini was almost double than that.
Yeah. My half a year savings went just on the rotor. So. Alright, so this is the back grille actually for the back bumper, rear bumper. It goes around the tail light. So this looks like it's in mint condition, so I'm happy with that. Let's just put it back and keep opening it. Okay, so the headlight, we did not have to open it because we did get it used. It's in really good condition, no scratches, no cracks, everything seems to be intact. So new headlight, I'm pretty sure it's going to be anywhere near like 2,000 or 3,000, whatever.
I'd say like 3,000.
Yeah. So this, a used one usually runs average like $1,100, so really expensive part, but the headlight looks like it's in really good condition as well. So let's just keep opening up the other boxes. Damn, look at that.
Smells expensive,
This
bro.
thing looks like a piece of art.
Oh, that forged carbon.
Yeah. You know what we should do with the broken one? We should actually hang it inside our office. We have all the parts. Kind of like we have parts
On
right
our
here.
wall of shame.
But we have like nice parts inside our office, like some Lamborghini parts, smaller parts. This would look really cool on the wall, right? Maybe that broken one right there. I think the reason why this is so expensive is because it's made in Italy, right? Just like the Lamborghini rotor, right?
Probably.
So, I mean, I know G-Wagon rotors, they're actually pretty cheap. I think I can get all 4 G-Wagon rotors for the price of just one. Maybe even
We
cheaper.
should have just put G-Wagon rotors on this thing.
But they're tiny, they're probably like... I'm kidding, they're pretty big. I don't even need to open this. These are just brake pads.
I don't know, bro. Are you sure?
Brembo brake pads, yeah, so I'm pretty sure they're good. Alright, so this is the wheel apron. I was wondering what was inside this big box. So check this out. The reason why we ordered this, obviously because this one's damaged right here. So this is actually on black glue. It's like, it's not on screws. I don't think it's on screws. By the way I look at it, it's on black glue. So we'll probably have to get some sort of special black glue. I don't think it's gonna be the same one for the windows, right?
No.
It should be some sort of epoxy, because it's really hard. It turns into like steel. You know what I mean? So the whole thing is just on glue, you know, and then the fender attaches to it, and then the bumper attaches to the fender. So it has to be really strong glue, you know, in order for everything to attach to this piece right here.
Yeah, and hold in one place.
Yeah. Alright, so the grill came in also. So it looks like it came in with the cameras. It probably does come with the cameras from a dealer, right? I actually did not know this. Maybe you can buy it separately, but who knows? You know, sometimes
That's expensive.
dealers,
That's one expensive grill then.
so if somebody cracks the grill, I hope cameras sell separately, because it came like the way it's even connected goes inside there, all this stuff. But the grill is also in good condition. And as you can see, we got the front bumper. I think I mentioned in the first video, and we got a fender as well. So we mostly got everything. We actually got the quarter panel coming as well. So hopefully nothing's gonna be wrong with that. So far so good. Besides with that side, that it's cracked, like the weld's cracked. So. Alright, so in this video, we did change the rotor. We took off all the parts just to see if we can find more damage. We did not expect the damage on that side, so we can't put anything on until the frame guy comes out and basically gives us his opinion on what we should do. Maybe just weld the welds back on. And we did order the fiberglass repair adhesive for this plastic right here, so we can get that on in the next video. And that is about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, hit us up on Instagram at Foreign Builds, like, comment, share, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Peace. By the way, this is going on our wall.